What's the best way to market your product? It starts with your website, engaging and well-written copy on your homepage, about page, landing pages, blog posts, case studies, and video. Now you're ready to share on social. With Twitter, you can learn about your audience and drive traffic back to your website. YouTube adds another dimension, allowing you to share information in a visual way and embed them in your website. Tweets are indexable, blog posts are indexable, captions are indexable. So the only question is, are you ready to be found online? I would love to help you learn how to use your voice, your power, and your brand. Find me at bridgetwillard.com.